Good Tuesday morning. It's been great to see the sun. We had a lot of it actually yesterday before the snow came in, but then things got messy in a hurry last evening. Of course, we had that heavy dumping of snow. It wasn't really extremely deep snow, but it was a mess for that evening commute and for the late evening. But now looking at time lapse from our Galdi Group camera, good to see the sun outside already this morning. That's from earlier this morning. Now live as we look south, about 7:45 here on this Tuesday morning. It's cold. It's a little breezy. Fresh coating of snow out there. You see that in some of the cars still have snow on them. 3 inches here at the studio, a little more than that at the airport officially. It's 11 degrees right now to start this morning. Good morning, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today, blissfully peaceful weather. It's going to be quite a bit colder, though. We had 33 for a high yesterday. The last couple of days have been in the 20s and 30s. Today, we aren't going to be even as warm as 20, sadly. Temperatures are in the teens now, and that's where we're going to stay pretty much all day long. A lot of sun, but a lot of brisk, cold winds that are drawing in that colder, drier air. So we get a break from snow. In fact, you put the shovel away for a while here. It looks like we're going to be shoveling, free of shoveling snow anyway, or shovelable, plowable snow. Out of the picture, we'll just put it that way. That's what we're going to be talking about here for a while. Cold sunshine, a long spell of tranquil weather. We have plenty of snow on the ground, as you'll see in the next couple of graphics. We've had plenty of snow this winter, so even snow lovers should be happy. They should be satiated. They've gotten the snow they were hoping for, and people who were maybe a little tired of the snow, at least now we're going to get a break. We don't have to worry about new snowfall. Maybe for the rest of the week, as it stands right now, probably really until the middle of next week. So we're doing okay. We just have to stay warm. It's cold sunshine we're dealing with today. Looking at some of the numbers here in Rochester, yesterday 4.2 inches officially at the airport. Again, we had 3 inches here in the north end of town at the KTTC Fox 47 studio. It tied a record set last year on the same date, 4.2 inches, 2019. For the season, 47.5 inches of snow. That is 10.8 inches above normal, and that gives us more than a foot of snow on the ground for overall snow depth. So plenty of snow to play in. Hopefully I won't hear any complaints about people missing the snow, because boy, we have plenty of it now. Looks like we have had plenty across the area. Totals overall, about 2 to 5 inches. That's been about the main range, but a couple spots had a little more, a little less. Rochester, one of the highest on this map anyway, or this chart anyway, 4.2 inches. Carpenter, Iowa, 4 inches. Byron, 3.8. Austin, 3 inches. Here at the studio, also 3 inches. And Northwood, Iowa, 3 inches as well. A lot of sun. You can see how bright and blue that sky is. A pretty looking day, just very cold, even colder than the seasonal average. 11 degrees right now in Rochester. It's 21 in Winona, 19 in Mason City, Albert Lea, 16. It does feel colder. Look at those winds. Not really strong. They've really let up nicely. We're grateful that the blowing and drifting snow is done. We had some of that last night too. Not an issue with us now, but those winds will be with us kind of on the chilly side, though. Those 15-mile-per-hour winds or so, keeping that wind chill below zero. 3 below right now. Air pressure rapidly rising and telling us high pressure is on its way. And in time, that will diminish the winds as it gets closer. But right now, initially, though, a breezier situation behind last night's storm system. So breezy, cold, temperatures topping out around 17 this afternoon. Sunset 5:43. Plenty of sunshine between bands of clouds. There goes the storm system marching onto the east. High pressure coming in behind it. We're going to be kind of grazed by this Clipper system to our west. That's going on for the Dakotas. West of us, it's going to stay west, and we'll have high pressure coming in again. And for the middle part of the week, frigid but quiet. And the warm up for the weekend behind that high pressure. Nice surge of warmth that'll help us get back to the 30s as soon as Friday afternoon. So we have that to look forward to. And again, continuation of this drier, sunnier pattern. 11 degrees right now in Rochester. A little warmer in Madison. There's 29. Chicago, 36. We're just ahead of that cold front that swept through the area yesterday. But behind it now, we're in the teens here, and Aberdeen, 15, 16 in Sioux Falls. For the next 24 hours, teens today. And then we drop below zero by this time tomorrow. And next couple of nights do look to be sub-zero nights, colder than zero. For Futurecast, looking at occasional sun and clouds through today. Get up a brisk northwest breeze up to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, as the high pressure gets closer, lighter winds. We're going to stay clear and dry. Temperatures around 5 or 6 below zero. And then tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. We'll start off sub-zero, and we'll make our way into the single digits. Thursday morning, here on Thursday, about 10 to 15 below zero. But after that, southerly winds begin to pick up, and we'll start seeing some warmth. By Thursday night, in fact, temperatures will be climbing through the night, and Friday back to the 30s, and they will be there for the weekend as well. 17 in Rochester today, 18 in Albert Lea, 20 in Austin. Decorah 22, a lot of sunshine, a few passing clouds as well, with that chilly northwest breeze up to 20 miles per hour at times. Lighter breeze tonight, 5 below the overnight low, with a wind chill around 15 below. And then tomorrow at best 8. Some spots tomorrow might reach 10. But the wind chill at best below zero, with winds up to 15 miles per hour at times. Outlook for the next several days, we see a whole slew of above average days starting Friday, above average temperatures, and that may carry us into the middle of next week. At the very least, it looks like we're going to be around 30, if not warmer than that, from Friday for at least the first half of next week. So we'll make up for some of the really cold stuff for the next 3 days. 7-day forecast. There's all that quiet sunshine. If nothing else, you don't have to shovel sunshine, I always like to say. Rain, snow mixture, very slight chance next Monday. But beyond that, there's a storm system we're watching that comes in for Tuesday, perhaps evening, and Wednesday. That'll be Ash Wednesday next week for those of you looking at your liturgical calendars. Anyway, Ash Wednesday, that'll be the final Wednesday in February. We do have a chance of snow then. That's beyond the 7-day forecast, but down the road, we're going to keep tabs on that. Meantime, today, some cold sunshine. Be sure to stay warm, but enjoy the peaceful weather. Have a great Tuesday. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.